What's up, y'all? All right, so my GoPro died and I was doing this new project so you guys can check it out, and here it is. So this is what we're doing. We're gonna be building, that's the frame for the truck bed camper to turn Optimus into the mobile command center. Good morning, squad. Welcome to day 2 of the truck bed camper build. As you can tell, I put in some work while the camera was charging. But hey, if you're new, I'm Bobby Hernandez, your adventure guide. If you like scuba diving, traveling, and wild adventures, hit that subscribe and that notification bell so you're up on the next content. But let's dive into this camper. So here's the progress from last night, and the frame's out of 2x4s. Wrapping it in 1/4 inch plywood. We got 2x6s at the bottom so you can fill in the gap, that 4-inch space. So I can only use one sheet of plywood for the wall. I got the window mock set up there. We got an escape hatch set up there. So the water tank's gonna go here. We're gonna be either clamping or bolting it down onto the bed rail. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that's smart? I'm gonna be sleeping up there, of course. I'm gonna cut out a hole right here so I can have access to the truck. We're also gonna be wrapping it in either fiberglass, rhino liner. I don't know. You guys tell me. What do you think I should do? Either one. I'm new to this, so I'm just YouTubing and going along with what we got. But I'm taking you along with me. This is for me to travel and bring you guys these adventures and cut lodging out completely. So I'll just be staying in the vehicle whenever I'm going out on these adventures, and that's the plan for the mobile command center. There's gonna be some cool things on the inside, so I'll show you that when those things arrive. We're gonna be building the inside of the bed of the truck completely instead of doing a slide in, just to maximize all the space. So if you guys like this video, please hit that like and subscribe, hit a comment, do all that good stuff, because YouTube really helps push out the videos like that. And I'll catch you at the next one.